how to turn on or turn off camera auto FPS on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app and click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in camera settings, scroll down and you will see auto FPS is here. Click on auto FPS. If you want to turn off auto FPS, so click on off. After click on off, you will see auto FPS is turned off. If you want to turn on auto FPS, so select one. After select, you will see auto FPS is turned on. You will turn on or turn off auto FPS from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off camera auto FPS on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.